Hello everyone, I'm Usnik. This is my 8th experiment in simulation of compiler lab, which is simulation of loader. So in this I'm going to talk about absolute loader, which is a simple loader which perform loading process and need not perform linking and program relocation process. So algorithm goes like this: it reads the header record, verifies the name and length of the program, reads the first text record from the input file, processes the following step until the record is ended. If the object code is character from converted to hexadecimal representation, move object code to specified location in memory, read the next text record from the input file one by one until reach the end record and move them to one of the specified location. If it reaches the end record, close the file. So this is the sample input which we are giving, and this is the sample input output which we are expecting. So to if we run the program, if you see the question which I've given in output.txt, so this is the question which we are checking, and to if I run the program, program name is sample. So this is the output, this is the initial like, the address and the value. So if I go to the program, so I'm reading the output.txt file line by line, and I'm taking the raw program name as an input inside the variable name, and I've taken all the required dictionary and list which I'll be requiring um, in the program. And if name is inside the r0, which is inside the output.txt, the name is there. If the first element is name, um, will print the name of the object is the name which we have given. And from line in r, if t is the line, so if from the first line is the header, it's h, so it will just take the name. And from next line there is t as the uh, term, as the a statement. So this t, so if t is in line, then line will take out all the unnecessary stuff, that is new line slash r or space, and will split the line with the caret symbol, which is the delimiter here, uh, like which are the delimiter here in this kind of file system. So after that we'll find the he, which is represented as the header. We'll change it to, will implicitly type converted to int, and a line from in the line one will add it to 16, which is a hexadecimal. Will change it to hexadecimal value. So for I in the range 3, length of the from 3 to the length of the line, and will enumerate, not enumerate, but will zip the uh, I will line from I into 2 and store it to x and y, and will append the value of x and y each time. And when we do key dot append str hex hu from 2 to the rest, we'll get that, will add it the header file plus 1 each time we um, will append the value of x and y. And after that we'll zip key and value together, and get the variables in k and v for this iteration, this small iteration, and we'll update k to v each time inside the load variable, load list, which we have been here. It's actually a dictionary. And then if we'll print the key and the values with delimiter of colon here. So I'll, I'll again run. So this is the key or the location where the value is, and this is the value which is there. So this is the simulation of uh, absolute loader. Hope you guys understood it. That was the 8th experiment in compiler lab. Thank you for watching.